Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore green screen edges in Premiere Pro with Keylight, full guide step by step clearly. Start by opening Adobe Premiere Pro and loading your project. Import your footage with the green screen. Drag the footage onto the timeline. Select the clip in the timeline. Navigate to the Effects panel. Search for Keylight and drag it onto your green screen clip. Open the Effect Controls panel to access the Keylight settings. Locate the screen color option in the Keylight effect. Use the eyedropper tool to select the green color from your footage. Observe how the Keylight effect removes the green background. If the edges still appear rough, adjust the screen gain slider to enhance the keying. Next, look for the screen softness slider. Gradually increase the screen softness to smooth out the edges. Check for any remaining green fringing around the subject after adjusting. If needed, go back to the screen color and refine the selection using the eyedropper. You may also want to adjust the clip black and clip white settings for finer control. Continue tweaking until you achieve a clean edge around your subject. If your subject has hair or finer details, consider using the spill suppression option. Adjust the despill bias to remove any green tint on your subject. Look at your entire clip playthrough to ensure the edges look natural throughout. Once satisfied with the keying, you can add any additional effects or backgrounds. Review and render your project to finalize everything. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.